Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we're doing a little bit of unboxing. I don't usually do this kind of stuff, I just usually video our race days. But I've been having problems with my soldering, and I thought I would get some, obviously, wire for my ESCs and stuff like that. Just basic. Also, I ordered new soldering iron. So let's see what's in the bag. It's nicely packaged. Got it from eBay. And hopefully this will sort my soldering out. And there it is, Ts-100 soldering iron and the XT60 extension. Right, let's get her open, see what's in the box. Hey guys, let's see what's in the box. Well, there's the tip. There's two tips. Soldering iron, I got the gold color, some info, and some warnings. Also, looks like a power lead, some screws, and a wee stand. Right. Let's get this open now. Very nice. Goes from 12 to 24 volts, and it's a micro USB, or comes with the connector. Right, let's get one of these in now. Oh, there's a little Allen key here. We shall there's also one on this side. That's a 1.5mm. Slips in. Obviously tighten it up. And let's get a power source and get it started. Right, got a 3S LiPo here. It can run up to 5S and not 6. Right, let's get our wee cable sorted. You can also do a power upgrade, and it'll give you higher temperatures. I haven't done the upgrade yet, as I've just unboxed it. So here we go, first plug in. Press A. That's it heating up there. It's going up really quick. Let's turn up, see what the max is. Oh, max looks like it's 300. But as I say, you can go on their website and download the firmware, and it's just a matter of plugging it in the computer, downloading the firmware, and sticking it on there. There is 300 degrees. within a minute. Looks good. Right, we'll go. Let's get back to you. So, push A to start. If you put long hold, you'll see what it's up to. You can do blocks. Oh, it's actually going up further. Here we go. 400 degrees. Let's see how quick it gets up there. As I say, I think you can get another 50 degrees if you do the unlock on the computer, firmware update. And as I say, all I'm going to do today is a wee bit of tinning these wires. There we go, didn't even take a minute. It's up to 400. So I'm just going to stick a wee bit of flux on here. Heat her up, and let's see if we can tin these wires, eh? Look at that, it's nice. Nice. Lovely. Look at that. Nice and shiny. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video.